Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I sent my last video, I think it was part 3, to my mentor Roy Brewer. He sent me back a macro that's pretty cool. It's a macro to contour items. We've been working with this, so we're going to open up. I don't understand what it's called. It's rubber stamp. He did it for the rubber stamp industry. He's been in the business forever, and a lot of people make rubber stamp. So this is just like your contour, except for it makes it a little bit easier. So let's create the contour. Well, okay, there it goes. So what's cool about it, I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this contour. I'm going to make it red. And then let's go, well, that's not close enough. Well, inside of Corel, you'd have to delete that contour and start over. So we know we contoured 0.05. Let's reduce it 0.01 and reduce it. And then reduce it again and reduce it again and reduce it again. You can get the exact contour that you want. And just like in Corel, they're square, rounded, or mitered corners. Then when you want to do a new one, let's take this text and let's go a half of an inch around and create a contour. Let me shut this window, Docker. And you go, well, that's pretty cool. So inside of Corel, you'd have to delete that contour or break that contour apart to reduce it. So now let's reduce it 0.25 and just say reduce contour. And then let's go 0.2, reduce contour. You can keep getting it closer and closer and closer where it's really not that great. And then you just delete it if you don't want it, and you can start over. So select your item again and create a contour that's just 0.02. And see, this is why you would contour over, because this way the two items are contoured separately. So let's go that 0.5 and I didn't have anything clicked. That's a debug, so I didn't have this clicked. So we're going to have to open up back to the tools, scripts, and start this contour and go 0.5 and create a contour. So this is why you'd want to, I don't know why that other contour is there. Let's just delete that. You don't have to hit your calculator. But this is why you would do it, because that way it put both words together, and then you could go 0.01 and reduce it again and just kind of watch which one you like. This is pretty cool. Let's go 0.02 and reduce it some more. And see, that way you can kind of see, well, that's how big I want it. So inside Corel, you'd have to delete it and recontour it. This way you're reducing the contour. That's pretty slick. And I'm pretty sure this is on Engraving Concepts website under macros, but if you don't, just go to engravingconcepts.com. They have a pretty neat site with some other videos, but if you will email me, and I'll have my email at the bottom of this video, I'll send you this contour. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.